Today, have a reading practice using basic sentences.
Let's read. I have a phone. I have a phone. Let's read. He smiles at me. He smiles at me. Let's read. He is a good dad. He is a good dad. Let's read. I love to eat cake. I love to eat cake. Let's read. I see a bunny. I see a bunny. Let's read. This is my chair. This is my chair. Let's read. My mom is beautiful. My mom is beautiful. Let's read. I draw a house. I draw a house. Let's read. He loves to eat. He loves to eat. Let's read. I have a cup. I have a cup. Let's read. My shirt is orange. My shirt is orange. Let's read. My bag is new. My bag is new. Let's read. My sister is kind. My sister is kind. Let's read. He works. So hard. He works so hard. Let's read. I get some fruits. I get some fruits. Let's read. Look at the flower. Look at the flower. Let's read. I count the balloons. I count the balloons. Let's read. My big red ball. My big red ball. Let's read. I have a job. I have a job. Let's read. She is very scared. She is very scared.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.